Well gents, Postman Pat made an appearance today for me. Nice little bloke. First off, Pick Wizard sent me that. Thank you very much, sir. Little multi-lock 4-pinner. 4-pinning pin apparently. I'll have a play with that later on. This was from Dogman actually. Never seen one of these before. Weird little bugger. Toy Town picks have to come out for that. Feeler gauges. Also a nice master lock. I say nice. They don't hold up very well, do they, to picking. It seems a good one. Shackle could be locked in two different positions, either for long or short stumps, I suppose. We'll have to do a video of that one shortly, picking that. And I got these Locksmith Tools HUK lockpick. Nice little case. 5 pretty colours. Couple of tension wrenches. Not bad actually, not bad at all. All of these will fit UK keyways, nice slim ones, decent metal. HUK stamped on each one and numbered 1 to 5. 5 hooks. The only drawback is couldn't get any pink ones. Bollocks. Never mind. They're pretty enough for me. Feel comfortable in the hand, either upside down or that way. Quite strong actually, I'm impressed with them. I'm sure there'll be a few comments about the colours, but bollocks. I'll have to do a video of those, do a bit of a review for them. Nice and comfy them.